Stop there. Have you ever seen anything like it? Hello, gang.
Hi there.
I can't get over my eyes. My eyes are popping out my head. Enthusiast club, I guess, for these, is it?
Yeah, you could say that. It's a funny farm.
It's a funny village. No, these are something else. I can't believe me. Look, I'll leave you to it, gang. I know you're having I won't interrupt. Is there anywhere on the internet I can Google this kind of thing? Is it? What does it come under?
Pembleton.
Pembleton.
Take a picture of this on the back here, that.
Oh yeah.
On that sticker.
That blue sticker.
Got it. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Thanks, gang. You don't mind if I have a go around?
No.
Pembleton. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Pembleton. Amazing. Just amazing. Just a quick one, gang. Are they from the 40s or the 50s, or what era are they from?
There's none of them older than 2000, I would think. Well,
they're all kind of custom built cars.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
You've got it. Yeah.
You can if you look up the Pembleton
I
Motor
will.
Company.
Yeah.
You can buy one of these brand new for 35,000 quid. But we've built these.
Right.
They used to be able to buy a chassis,
Right.
and not exactly a kit car, but you just bought a chassis,
and you put your own motor
and
in that. Yeah.
There's a kind of a basic design around using a Citroen 2CV gearbox, and
Right.
various engines, usually
Motor Guzzi, yeah. So that's a motorbike engine.
Yeah, that's a 750. That's a 950, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's amazing.
Right, I'm going. Thanks so much. You made my day.
You fancy one then, do you?
I do. I've got that midlife crisis. I'm 50 odd, but I've got that midlife crisis, and I'm not into motorbikes. But this would be my cup of tea.
Well, a lot of us have owned motorbikes.
Yeah.
And sort of evolved into this. I mean, they're not really cars. They're like motorbikes.
Yeah.
with extra wheels,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
that's the way to look at it.
Exactly. Yeah.
But you'll have a
They're
note.
far more comfortable.
As close to a motorbike as you can get without it being a motorbike.
Yeah, it's more comfortable. You
Yeah.
don't have to put all the clobber on to go out.
Yeah.
But it's not a car. No
Yeah.
heater. You know, you
Right.
get wet if it rains. You know.
Yeah. Look at
Or you stop in a cafe.
Take care. Thanks very much.
You should have said nice donor engine for my car, but you can crash it.
Amazing. Yeah. This is that's the barns over there, by the way. That's the sleeping barns over there. And you just go in there to grab yourself a spot. £15 a night, which is just, I mean, it's just, you've got a shop with a post office. Do the lotto. I'll let this one in, another one. Another one, isn't that amazing? I'll just go and